The Chevy K5 Blazer, an icon of American muscle and rugged 4x4 performance, is making a dramatic return with a modern twist that combines the best of both worlds, classic power and cutting-edge off-road capability. The re-engineered 2024 K5 Blazer packs a robust V8 engine under the hood and is built on the legendary Toyota Tacoma chassis, creating an off-road SUV that's ready to take on any challenge, from city streets to the toughest trails. The original Chevy K5 Blazer was one of the first true sport utility vehicles, offering serious off-road potential combined with a rugged, muscular design. Now, the modernized version takes everything that made the K5 Blazer a fan favorite and brings it into the 21st century with state-of-the-art performance upgrades. The standout change is the addition of a V8 engine, which delivers impressive horsepower and torque, giving the Blazer the power it needs to tackle both urban roads and the most demanding off-road terrain. While the engine is a key highlight, it's not the only major upgrade. The real magic comes in the form of a Toyota Tacoma-based chassis, known for its legendary off-road durability and handling. This chassis swap elevates the K5 Blazer's off-road capabilities, making it a true contender in the world of modern 4x4s. The Tacoma's rugged, durable design is built to absorb the shocks and bumps that come with extreme off-roading, from rocky paths to sandy dunes, ensuring the Blazer stays steady and capable no matter the conditions. The combination of a V8 engine and Tacoma-inspired chassis results in a vehicle that's not only powerful on the streets but also trail-ready right from the start. Whether you're navigating rocky paths, tackling muddy trails, or cruising over sand dunes, this K5 Blazer has the strength and agility to keep you moving. The upgraded suspension system provides the perfect balance between comfort on the road and stability on rugged terrain, allowing the Blazer to deliver a smooth ride wherever you go. This modern K5 Blazer is built to handle the toughest off-road conditions without missing a beat. Thanks to the robust suspension and reinforced chassis, it can take on challenges that would make many traditional 4x4s falter, while still providing a smooth and comfortable experience when cruising around town. The exterior of the 2024 K5 Blazer retains the rugged, square-jawed design that made the original a classic, but it's now updated with modern touches that make it stand out in today's automotive world. The LED headlights and sleek wheel arches complement the aggressive front grille, giving the Blazer a more dynamic and contemporary look while still honoring its heritage. Inside, the cabin blends the classic appeal of the original K5 with the technology and comforts of the modern age. Vintage-inspired gauges and durable, utilitarian materials create a nostalgic atmosphere, while advanced features like an infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and off-road navigation systems ensure you're always connected and ready for adventure. The cabin is designed for both function and comfort, with all the modern touches you need for long off-road excursions. What truly sets this modernized K5 Blazer apart is its ability to deliver on performance. The V8 engine roars to life with a power and presence that's unmistakable, offering plenty of muscle for everything from daily driving to rugged off-roading. Paired with the Tacoma's durable, off-road-ready chassis, the K5 Blazer is more than just a showpiece, it's a performance powerhouse, built to take on extreme conditions and push the limits of what a 4x4 can do. Whether you're traversing challenging trails or cruising along highways, this modern K5 Blazer offers a driving experience that's unmatched. Its powerful V8 engine, sturdy chassis, and upgraded suspension make it the perfect off-road vehicle for enthusiasts who want to combine the nostalgia of a classic muscle car with the performance and capability of today's best off-road machines. In conclusion, the 2024 Chevy K5 Blazer is a brilliant reimagining of an American icon. By combining a V8 engine with the legendary Toyota Tacoma chassis, this Blazer offers an off-road experience that's as thrilling as it is capable. With its classic styling, rugged performance, and modern technology, the K5 Blazer proves that it's possible to blend the best of both worlds, bringing together the spirit of the original with the capabilities of the future. Whether you're a dedicated off-roader or a classic car enthusiast, the modernized K5 Blazer delivers performance, power, and adventure in a way few SUVs can match.